how to save and download a specific Canva slide as an image. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save and download a specific slide from Canva as an image, whether you are working on a presentation, infographic, or social media post. Exporting a single slide is super easy. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head over to the canva.com and open your project and make sure that you are on the slide that you want to save. And now let's export this specific slide. To do that, simply click on share button at the top right corner, and from the drop down menu you can see the option labeled download. Simply click on that. Now you will see the file type option. From that option you can simply select PNG, JPG or PDF. I recommend PNG for the best quality. And once you have done that, you can see the option labeled select pages. By default, Canva downloads the entire project, but for this video, we only need one slide. To do that, simply click on the drop down arrow beside the select slide options, and after that, you can simply choose the slide number you want to download. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on done. And after that you can just hit the download button and the Canva will process your image, and in a few seconds your specific slide will be saved to your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to save and download a specific Canva slide as an image in just few simple steps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.